In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign cards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects and keeping your tasks organized, and knowing how to assign cards to team members is crucial for leveraging its full potential. To start, let's navigate to the Trello homepage. Open your web browser and type in trello.com. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login located at the top right of your screen. If you're not already a Trello user, you'll need to create an account, but if you have one, enter your credentials. Trello also offers a seamless login process through your Google account, which can be a convenient option if you're already signed into Google on your browser. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your boards. Head over to the boards section, which you can find on your Trello homepage. Here, you'll see all the boards available to you. These could include boards you've created yourself, or those shared with you by your team or organization. Next, look for the Your Workspaces section. This area will show you a collection of boards organized under a specific workspace, each with its unique focus or project scope. Click on the board where you wish to assign a card. This action will open up that particular board, displaying the different lists and cards arranged according to your workflow. Once inside your chosen board, identify the card you want to assign to someone. Just click on the card to open it up. You'll find an array of options to customize and organize your card here, but our focus will be on the members section. Look for the members option, typically located on the right side of the card view panel. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all team members who are part of this board. In the members section, you can now assign the card to a team member. Simply scroll or search through the list of names, and once you locate the person you wish to assign the task to, click on their name. You'll notice their avatar or name appearing on the card, indicating that they've been successfully assigned. This feature is handy for indicating responsibility for a task and ensuring that your team knows who's handling what. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to assign cards in Trello to keep your projects running smoothly. Remember, clear communication and task delegation can significantly impact your team's productivity, so make sure to put this feature to good use in your Trello boards. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Trello tips and tricks.